was lost in the woods, under dust, and the fairies found me. And they led the way, they cleared the way to my heart. All the hurt, all the pain under the skin, I had fainted. And they carried me, they cleared the way to my heart. Thank you to magic for rescuing me. Thank you to summer for fairies.
Other forces to the south are asked you to come forth, form a shield wall to protect the sacred space.
Holy creatures of this space, we ask that you bless this mead, this offering that we give you. We may also partake in your blessings on us personally, that we can take home to our own lands and our own spaces. We ask you to bless it with the love and the harmony that we try to give to you every day as we maintain and manage this land of yours. With the love of the Landvættir. Thank you. With the strength of our Landvættir. With the love of our Landvættir. With the beauty of our Landvættir. Give you the wisdom of our Landvættir. We ask also our beloved Vatia to witness our words, to hear our thanks and our admiration for what it is that you provide us. And also as we speak of the Vatir of our own home and our own spaces, carry those messages and just know that these people all feel the same about you as they feel about their own homes and their own Vatir. Hail the Landvættir.
Hail.
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 Hail the Landvættir. Thank you.
Hail the Landvættir.
We definitely have here something that we've dreamed about all our lives. I've never lived in the same house more than 3 years my entire life, and we've been here for 10. I've always dreamed of having land, even when I was a kid, growing a garden when nobody else would grow a garden. It was just something I just did because it just felt like it was the right thing to do. Somehow or another, our environment has conditioned us to think nature is a dangerous place, or it's not a safe place, or it's not a healthy place. Meanwhile, we beat our health to death as we consume trash that's not even from the land anymore. It's chemicals put in a certain package to make it look like food. And so it's really comforting to know that we have our sanctuary here. There's not a pair of hands in this vey right now that hasn't worked this land, that hasn't done something to help make it a better place and to help honor the spirits of this land. And I thank you guys for that, as well as the Landvættir for allowing us the opportunity to do it. They have absolutely made my dream come true, and for the rest of my natural life, I will always be a steward of this place. So, hail the Landvættir. And to that, I will bid the Landvættir a good journey home. You are already home. We would like to ask that if you meet any other our neighboring Vatar friends, tell them that they have a safe space here. They're welcome to visit. They're welcome to move here. We will treat them just as well as we treat you and every other spirit of this land, of our home, of our shop, and all the other things that we take pride and joy in using and sharing with our kin and our loved ones. So, good journey home. Hail the Landvættir. They heard that one all the way home. Bring it in. We know the drill.
Watch out for the axes.
Yes. Watch the axes. Hail the Landvættir!